Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great today because I've got something truly exciting to share with you. If you've been keeping up with trends, you might have noticed the meditation and mindfulness space is blowing up right now. With more and more people looking for ways to find calm in their hectic lives, apps like Calm and Headspace are making millions, and meditation videos on YouTube are getting more views than ever before. So, if you're looking for a way to get in on this booming market without spending months of effort creating your own content from scratch, I've got the perfect solution for you, Harmony Videos. Now, creating top-tier meditation content isn't exactly a walk in the park. You need high-quality visuals, soothing narrations, calming background music, and a ton of editing to pull it all together. And let's be real, who has the time for all that, especially if you're just starting out? That's where Harmony Videos comes in. It's a done-for-you package that makes it super easy to tap into this multi-billion-dollar market. All the hard work has been done for you, so you can skip right to the fun part, getting your content out there and connecting with people who are looking for peace and relaxation. So what exactly is Harmony Videos? To put it simply, it's a collection of professionally crafted meditation videos designed to help people unwind, de-stress, and find their zen. These aren't your run-of-the-mill thrown-together clips. They're high-quality, beautifully shot, and packed with calming visuals, soothing narrations, and music that's guaranteed to help people relax. And the best part, you don't have to create any of it yourself. You just grab the package and boom, you're ready to go. Inside this package, you get 25 guided meditation videos, each ranging from 2 to 3 minutes. These videos are perfect for the attention span of today's viewers, short, sweet, and to the point. Plus, they come in both horizontal and vertical formats, so they're ready for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook. And these videos aren't low quality. We're talking HD 1080p visuals with stunning nature shots that could make you feel like you're on a peaceful vacation every time you watch them. Along with the visuals, each video comes with professionally narrated meditation sessions. The narrators have soothing, calming voices that will help your audience sink into a state of relaxation in no time. It's like having a professional meditation guide right there with you. On top of that, the background music is spot on. No cheesy elevator tunes, just serene, calming sounds that tie everything together perfectly. Everything is royalty-free, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues. You can use this music however you like. Now, you might be wondering, what can you actually do with all this amazing content? Well, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a content creator, wellness coach, marketer, or even an Etsy seller, this bundle can be your gateway into a new stream of revenue. You can rebrand these videos with your own logo, tweak the visuals or narration, and sell them as your own. Want to create a mini course or bundle them as a premium offer on your website? Go for it. You can even upload them to YouTube and monetize them with ads for passive income. The flexibility here is amazing, and it's all ready for you to dive into without the stress of creating everything from scratch. One of the standout features of Harmony Videos is the PLR private label rights that come with it. This means you can edit, rebrand, and sell the videos however you want. No limitations. This is your chance to turn these videos into your own product, whether that's a digital download, a subscription service, or a lead magnet to grow your email list. The whole package is designed to save you time while helping you tap into a market that's only growing. Now, I've been messing around with these videos myself, and I've got to say, I'm impressed. The production value is top-notch, and the ease of use is a game-changer. I uploaded one of the videos to YouTube just to test it out, and the views started rolling in almost immediately. It's crazy how something so simple can actually start generating engagement and attention. I also rebranded a couple of videos with my logo using Canva. It took no time at all, and they felt like my own unique product. The best part? This isn't just about throwing up some content and hoping for the best. People genuinely want this type of content. Meditation and mindfulness are more popular than ever, and by jumping into this space with Harmony videos, you're tapping into a massive audience that's eager for relaxation, guidance, and peace of mind. You're providing real value, and that's something that will resonate with people. Whether you're looking to boost your brand, create a new revenue stream, or just start offering something that people will love, Harmony Videos is an easy, high-quality solution to get you where you want to go. No need to worry about editing, hiring voice actors, or finding the perfect music. It's all done for you, and it's ready to roll right out of the gate. I'm excited to see how many of you will jump into the meditation content game with Harmony Videos. It's a game changer, and it might just be the opportunity you've been looking for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll catch you in the next one.